Assalamu alaikum, dear students. My name is Muhammad Uwais Siddiqui, Associate Professor in the Department of Computer Science, Shadan Degree College for Boys. I am handling the subject Python 2 for BSc final year 6th semester students. Dear students, our today's topic is to understand array and its advantages. As we know that an array is a collection of elements of same type. Basically, in other programming languages, array is a derived data type, whereas in C we have to import a module, array module called as array module. While after importing that module, we can declare and initialize the array. So in Python programming language, whenever we use arrays, we need to import the array module with the help of import keyword. And in Python, the main advantage is array is of variable length, that is dynamic array. In C++, the arrays are fixed length arrays, and here the advantage is that we need not to specify the size of array. The array will automatically increase and decrease dynamically, and the length of the array will increase or decrease in memory automatically. How to declare an array in Python? With the help of import keyword, you have to import a array module. How? This way you have to import array with the help of this from keyword, from array import star. This line you have to use as the first line of your array program. Then you have to follow this following syntax, in which you have to mention the array name. Then you have to write the array method or function. In this array method or function, you have to write the type code. Type code means the data type of elements that you are going to store. And the initializer section, here you have to write the all elements or values of a particular data type. The type code specifies the data type of these initializers. So a list of type code is mentioned here, and from this list I have taken one example as I, and with the help of this we have written one example, that is my array is equal to array in parenthesis data type of these elements, as 1 2 3 4 are all elements and their type is integer. That's why we have in single quotation mention as I. I means unsigned integer. This is the data type of array. And a small program I have here written in Python to declare, initialize and print the array elements. How to write this program? Your first line should be import statement from array import star, then declare the array. Here you have to write the name of the array, then equal to sign, then array method you have to call and pass the data type of array, that is I means all elements will be of integer type, unsigned integer type. There will be no addition or subtraction sign. And then I have here use array. We know that in any programming language, whenever we use array, we must have to take help of loop to print the array elements. So it is possible in Python programming language to print the array element with the help of this loop. I have here declared loop for I is equal to in my array till the end of the array and print all elements. So here 1 2 3 4 5 is get printed. Now what are the advantages of an array in Python? The basic advantage is it is used to represent multiple data items of same type. This thing should be noted that all the element or data item of the array should be of same data type. All should be integer, or all should be float, or all should be string type. Another advantage in Python is array are of variable length in Python. Okay, we need not to mention the size of the array during its declaration. Third advantage is, as the array are of variable length, that's why the memory size of an array can grow or shrink dynamically. Then the fourth advantage of array module in Python is, the array module in Python contains functions to process array element. There are many inbuilt functions in the Python library. You call those functions and manipulate the array. Functions such as insert, delete, search, slice, copy, these are the many various functions that are built in the library of Python. You simply call and use these functions to manipulate or process the array. And the last advantage is, whenever we declare array in Python, we need not to specify the size of the array, means how many elements you are going to store, like 10, 20. No need to specify size. Only you mention the type, data type of the element, and directly specify the elements. Thank you very much.